If Fn is the nth Fibonacci number and this summation is given equal to Fm, then find the value of m. For those who are not familiar with the notation, here this 100 and k is same as 100 ck. You are watching Brain Exploders, the world where brain starts working. So let's start with the formula for nth Fibonacci number. Nth Fibonacci number formula for the nth Fibonacci number is shown on the screen. If we write phi is equal to 1 plus under root 5 over 2, then 1 minus phi is equal to 1 minus 1 plus under root 5 over 2, which is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. So we can write Fn is equal to phi raised to the power n minus 1 minus phi raised to the power n over root 5. Now this phi and this 1 minus phi, both of these both of these are the roots of a quadratic equation. These are the roots of x square is equal to x plus 1. You can check it yourself. So it means that phi square is equal to 5 plus 1 and 1 minus phi whole square is equal to 1 minus phi plus 1. Why? Because both will satisfy this quadratic equation. Now if we multiply this equation by phi, then we get phi cube is equal to phi square plus phi. Now from this equation, put the value of phi square over here. We get phi cube is equal to phi plus 1 plus phi, or 2 phi plus 1. We will use this result later in our solution. Similarly, here also we have 1 minus phi whole cube equals to 2 times 1 minus phi plus 1, or 3 minus 2 phi. Now one more thing which we will gonna use in the solution is that 1 plus x raised to the power n, the expansion of 1 plus x raised to the power n is equal to 1 plus nc1 times x raised to the power 1 plus nc2 times x square, and so on, which can be written as summation k is equal to 0 to n nck times x raised to the power k. Now let's come to the expression given in our question. Summation k is equal to 0 to 100 ck times 2 raised to the power k times fk. Write the formula for fk over here. So we have 100 ck times 2 raised to the power k times phi raised to the power k plus 1 minus phi raised to the minus 1 minus phi raised to the power k over root 5. Now root 5 is independent of k, so it can be written out of the summation. We have summation k is equal to 0 to 100 ck times 2 raised to the power k times phi to the power k, and summation k is equal to 0 to 100 ck times 2 raised to the power k times 1 minus phi raised to the power k. It can be written as summation k is equal to 0 to 100 ck times 2 phi raised to the power k, and similarly in this second term 100 ck times 2 minus 2 phi raised to the power k. Now we know, as we have just discussed, the expansion of 1 plus x raised to the power n. Here you can see that in place of n we have 100, and in place of this 2 5 x we have this 2 5. So we can write it as 1 plus 2 5 raised to the power 100, and here also we can write it as 1 plus 2 minus 2 5 sorry 2 minus 2 5 raised to the power 100. Great. Now we had deduced two results, that 1 minus 2 5 is equal to 5 cube, and another one that 1 plus 2 minus 2 5 or 3 minus 2 5 is equal to 1 minus 5 whole cube. So in place of these put the values, and here in our question it is given that this value here is equal to Fm. So finally we obtained Fm is equal to 1 over root 5 times 1 over root 5 times 5 cube to the power k minus 1 minus 5 whole cube to the power k, and it can be written as 1 over root 5. Let's write it like in place of k here we have 100, so let's write it like 5 to the power 300 minus 1 minus 5 to the power 300 over root 5, and which is the formula for 300th Fibonacci number. So we have m is equal to 300. This was our solution. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos subscribe to our channel Brain Exploders. Thanks for watching.